Assalamu alaikum. This is me Farid Safi, and today we are here with another video lecture. In today's lecture, we will talk about genders of nouns. Well, we have got four different genders of nouns. Number one, we call it masculine. This is number one. Number two, we call it feminine. The third one is common, and the fourth one we have that is called neuter gender. So we will now discuss one by one. The first one we have that is called masculine gender. Masculine gender refers to male living beings. Uh, it uh, it talks about those human that is related to male. So we have, like, for example, father. So father is a noun, and it comes in the category of masculine gender. Brother, son, uncle, grandfather, father-in-law, husband. Clear? So all of them, they come in what, in the category of masculine gender. Whereas feminine gender is concerned, so feminine gender is it refers to female living beings, like mother, we have sister, daughter, grandmother, aunt, wife, etc. Clear? So it refers to what female living being. So that is called feminine gender. I have we have the list of masculine and feminine genders, like son, we have daughter, man, woman, player, bull, cow. So we have explained all of them. You can note it down, like what is the masculine and feminine genders. This is a complete list you can see on your screen. Uh, this is like on both sides. You can go, you can have a look at, you can note it down. It's a complete list. You can write it down, you can learn it. This is another masculine and feminine list. Most of the students, they need it because in their exams they have like the in their English papers they've been asked what is the like feminine or what is the masculine of that nouns. So you should know about like what are the masculines and feminines. It's a complete entire list that we have made for you. You can have look at clear. Now, the third gender we have, that is called what? Common gender. Let's talk about it. Common gender. Common gender is a gender which refers to either male living beings or female living beings. Like a noun that is used, like that name is used or the title is used. The title is used for both male living beings as well female living beings. So we call it common gender. Like for example, teacher. We have teacher. Now teacher can be male and teacher can be female. So both, it can be used for both male and female. Like we have friend. So friend can be male, friend can be female, cousin, cousin can be male, doctor, student, nurse. Clear? So these are called what? There are genders that for male and female, for both of them, they are used the same. So we call them, those type of genders are called common genders. Then the fourth gender we have that is called neuter gender. Neuter gender is a gender which refers to neither male living beings or nor female living beings. Like it is neither male or nor female. Like for example, we want to talk about wall. So wall, it is a neuter gender. It does not refers to any male or female living being. So we call it neuter, like pepper, stone, book, knife, door, etc. They are called what? We call them neuter genders. So it was all about genders. Uh, After that, inshallah, we will keep continue with cases of nouns. Till that, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.